Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, after the author bio block, the next new block that we are going to discuss is the read more block. Now, as the name suggests, when you will add this block, it will add a link to the post it is associated with, using which users can basically visit that page. Now, first let us see where this block basically exists. Now, let me just click this block inserter right over here, and you will see it is under the theme section. Where is it? This is the read more block, and you can see right over here I've added this block right here. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add a read more block to it. Now what this should do is this read more link should basically link to this hello world, the default hello world post. So let me just save this thing as draft, click preview it in the new tab. Now this is the read more button that we have added. This is basically the new read more block, and when I will click it, it will take me to the hello world post. You can see right over here. So this is the purpose of this read more block. Again, you get access to all the settings which are right over here. You can open the link in the new tab, color settings, typography, the decorations, the dimensions, border, and advanced text. So it is up to you how you want to design this read more block. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.